Hi, this is Asim and welcome to the channel. Today I'll guide you step by step on how to create a profile backlink on diggerslist.com. So let's get started. First of all, type Diggers List in Google and click this link. Now click on Sign In. Now click on Don't have an account, create one now. Now enter your details. Enter the password. Enter the password again. Now click on Create my account. The password must be at least 8 characters. Let's enter the password again. Now click on Create my account. It's giving an error, but you can go to this page again and you can click on Login. Now log in with your account. Click Login. Now click on Settings. This is an ad, so close it. Scroll down. Here you can add your logo. I'll leave it for now. And then here you can add your info. Let's copy the info and paste it here. And now paste the website address here. Let's paste it and click on Save Changes. Now let's view the profile. Copy these numbers and paste them after the diggerslist.com. Press enter. Now go to About. And now you can see your profile backlink on diggerslist.com is ready. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more actionable SEO tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.